So I always get a lot of questions about my nails and what I put on them and how I apply them. So today I'm going to show you guys how I apply my Color Street real nail polish strips. So if you want to find out how I do this, keep watching. You want to remove all of your nail polish with 100% acetone, and then your nails are going to look like this, a little bit dry and crusty, but that's okay. That's what you want them to look like. And then I'm just going to push back all my cuticles. You can even use a cuticle remover if you want to. Get rid of all that dead skin. Then I'm applying these nail polish strips from Color Street. They're 100% real nail polish. So I'm just taking these open right here. This one is called You'll Be Jolly. This is one of the holiday collection nail polish strips, and it is so cute. It looks just like wrapping paper. They also give you a nail file and a little alcohol prep pad, which is super important. So you're going to want to clean your nails with the prep pad. You want to make sure you have no oil, no lotion, no dirt on your nails. So just give them a really, really good scrub with the little alcohol wipey. You can also use if you have like 100% alcohol, but I just like using the little prep pad because it's just really easy. I even like going under my nails with this too. Then I'm just cleaning up any like little leftover nail things from filing my nails. And then we're just going to open up the pack. So they give you 2 of these. So what I like to do before is I like to take each one and measure them against my nails and kind of plan the layout of my nails and which one is going to go on which nail. So I'm just measuring, seeing which fits best. I kind of know by now because I've done them so many times. But just measure, see which one is going to fit best. They fit many different nail shapes. So you can see here, I'm just measuring, okay, I want to put the one with the deer on the middle finger, the snowflake on the ring finger, and then this one always fits my pinky. One of them is too small, that one right there. I never use that one. But the one right next to it is always great for the pinky finger. So just measure them out and kind of plan out, map out where you're going to put them on your nails. So then I'm taking the thumb and I'm going to take you guys through one hand. So you peel off the clear portion and then you peel off the backing from that. So you're just left with the nail strip. It's really easy. And you guys will see how easy this is. Like once you start doing it a few times, it just becomes super simple and like a no-brainer. So I'm just applying this onto my nail and then just stretch it out. Obviously, you don't want to go too hard. They're pretty durable, but you just do have to be careful because it is like a little nail strip. And then I'm filing off the excess with my nail file. So you can use any nail file you have. Don't use one that's too rough. Use one that's like a little bit gentle. This has 2 sides. You can also use a little buffing block, and then I just kind of peel it off myself with my other finger. And any little remnants, I use like the file again. I'll just kind of scrape off any little extras. So doing the same thing, just measuring, okay, I want to do the snowflakes for my ring finger. So I'm just taking that one off. And then I'm going to do the same thing, peel off the backing, and then just go ahead and apply it to my finger. And you do kind of have to like eyeball it and see where the middle is, but it gets really simple, to be honest with you guys. And you'll see like how to apply it as you go. And it's really easy. And I kind of just like to go over it with my finger and make sure there's no creases or anything like that. They smooth out really easily. They're very pliable, I think is a good word. So I fold it over my nail, like the free edge of the nail, and then from there I just file off that excess and it comes off very easily. Okay, so then I'm moving on to the middle finger with the little deer print, which is so cute. And you can use like whatever design you want to, but honestly you kind of have to try and go by which fits on which finger. But this pattern was fun because there was 3 different designs. So I'm just doing the same thing, placing that on my nail, and you want to make sure you don't get this on your cuticle. Try and stay above the cuticle. It'll just make your life a lot easier, and that's also why I like to push back my cuticles so they don't get in the way technically. So again, just filing off the excess and then peeling off the little piece that came off. Super easy. No dry time. I love it. It's just like one of the best things ever. Same thing. I'm going in with the little snowflakes now. Just doing the same thing I've done for each nail. And like I said, it'll get easier as you keep doing it. And then you're just going to push it over the free edge of the nail. This one was really easy to use because it was like kind of foily. So it was easy to work with. And then again, just filing off the excess and taking that away. And then moving on to the pinky. The pinky is always really easy too. I am just applying that to the middle. I try and make sure that it's even on both sides. And if you have any excess on the side, you can also file that away. It's very easy to file away. And just smoothing it over. And then I also use my finger sometimes to just create a crease. And then you file it away. And there you go. That is the beautiful end result. How cute did it come out? I am obsessed with this pattern. I've had it on for like 2 weeks. It is so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. I just love the designs. I love that it's not gel, it's not damaging, no dry time. I'm obsessed. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!